What if I told you one man's vision turned rockets into taxis, made electric cars sexy, and is now connecting the world to the internet from space? Welcome to the untold story of Elon Musk's jaw-dropping business growth. Let's break down his incredible journey in a way you've never seen before. The $500 start. Elon's humble beginnings. It all began when a 12-year-old Elon sold his first video game for $500. This small win showed the world just how big his brain was. But little did anyone know, this was just the beginning of a multi-billion-dollar empire. Zip2, his first startup. In 1995, Elon co-founded Zip2, an online city guide for newspapers. The catch? He lived in the office, showered at the YMCA, and coded nonstop. Fast forward to 1999, Compaq bought Zip2 for $307 million, giving Elon his first big payday of $22 million. PayPal, Reinventing money, $165 million exit. Next came X.com, an idea so crazy it became the world's first online payment platform. X.com evolved into PayPal, and by 2002, it sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. Musk's share? A cool $165 million. But Elon wasn't done yet. He was just warming up. SpaceX, turning science fiction into reality. Here's where things get insane. Elon took $100 million of his PayPal earnings and founded SpaceX. The goal? Colonize Mars. But the first 3 rocket launches failed. The company was on the verge of collapse when the 4th launch worked, and NASA handed SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract. 2012, first private company to dock with the ISS. Today, SpaceX is valued at over $150 billion. Tesla, the electric revolution. When Elon joined Tesla in 2004, no one believed in electric cars. Fast forward to today, Tesla's electric vehicles has gone mainstream, and its market value hit over $1 trillion. Model S, 3, XY. Yes, it spells S3XY. Classic Musk humor. Starlink, internet from space. What if your Wi-Fi came from space? That's exactly what Starlink does. With thousands of satellites in orbit, Musk's internet service is connecting even the remotest parts of the world. Oh, and it's raking in billions for SpaceX. The Boring Company, beating traffic underground. Tired of traffic? Musk is too. That's why he started the Boring Company, building underground tunnels for high-speed transportation. From the Vegas Loop to Hyperloop prototypes, Elon is redefining how we move. Neuralink and Twitter. What's next? From controlling devices with your brain through Neuralink to rebranding Twitter as X for an all-in-one app, Musk is always thinking 10 steps ahead. From sleeping in his office to running multi-billion-dollar companies, Elon Musk's story is proof that taking risks and chasing the impossible can change the world. Which part of his journey inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories about visionaries shaping